Hey all, I've got a cup of tea, got some time. This seems like a good moment to have a go at fixing those things that were left in the issue 1 of Rodeo that I'm trying to get sorted. So I thought I'd turn on the stream and have a go at fixing them so that that's all done and complete. At least that's the plan, so let's see how it goes, shall we? Right. So what we've got here is the code. And what were we doing? Because of course we've already forgotten everything. So let's go to Rodeo and have a look. This is GitHub, Rodeo, issues. You can see I've added a few more issues now. Me? And issues, we've got issue 1, Create Tracker Photo IDs is one we're working on. And I've had a couple of new ones that I think would be cool to add to the project to make it a little bit more featureful. So I've added those as well. The Keep Track of Photo IDs, issue number 1. Right, so we've already done most of this already. So we keep track of the photo IDs, we store them into a file, we've got that working. And now we're looking at the next thing to do, which is going to be let's try that again, shall we? And that's, yeah, so we're doing the keeping track of the photo IDs so we can rerun the rules and update photo. We've not done that bit yet. That'll probably be a different issue, but we're certainly doing the don't re-upload it. And what we're trying to get working is this bit here, support force to update the photo itself. I think that's the bit we're working on. We can't store the file name to photo ID mapping in the file. We actually, at least we can. That is what we're doing, storing the photo ID to file name. And we have done this option bit. So we've done the 2 notes. So I think it's this bit here that we haven't done yet. Let's move that. It's a bullet point to keep track of what we're doing. Put it there. Cut that uploaded so that we don't upload it a second time. Stretch goal. Allow running of the rules to update the data. That might be a different thing. I'll call it a stretch goal for now so we know what's going on. There we go. So that's the key things we want to look at. We're looking at point number 3 in our list. How easily you can see that. I'm looking for that button there, I think. There we go. That's the one I was looking for. Right. So, what were we doing that it didn't work? It didn't work. So let's see what wasn't happening. We've got a breakpoint here. We're clearly doing something about that. Or maybe it was, maybe the issue was we were having trouble with the choosing the directory. That worked though. Let's start at the beginning and find out, shall we? So let's put a breakpoint. Okay, so we've got force upload. Let's put a breakpoint here and see what's going on. Come on, F8 there. Right. Now let's go to the configurations and see what state we're in. Currently, we're going to try to upload this file here. We're going to need to take a new file soon, because that one's getting on a bit. But I think that file still exists in my export directory. Yes, that's that file. Yes, it still exists. That's good. Let's say, and we've still got the .radio uploads file. So we can cat .radio uploads today, and you see that file is in there. So that's a good sign. And where we want it to be is we've got our config files in cd.config rodeo. In here we've got our rodeo.yaml. So if I cat rodeo.yaml, you'll see at the bottom, store uploaded files in image directory false. The idea is we're going to store it into here. I want to change the file name in that case, but let's see, get it stored into here. And this is a bit I think isn't working. So let's look at that bit. All right, so go try and upload this file. Let's hit Control G, Control D, run it. Been doing much at the moment. Oh, so we are. It's compiling. See that? Let's compile in. Let it compile. Then it's running. What about this? Needs to take yes. That. There we go. I do like being able to just tap the watch to approve something. That is quite convenient. All right, run the breakpoint. Force upload is false because there's no -f, so that's fine. Hit that and hit Command F8. And I think it's step over is F. I'll step into is F8. Step over must be F8. Yeah. Be able to hit that. Oh, there we go. I've not turned the light on, so I'm all in darkness. That'd be better. Maybe you can see me now. Got a long way to go before I become a good streamer, don't I? Not yet, certainly. Okay, so where were we? API key. Going to pull all those up. Do. That soon, because that's a problem, because we've now just everyone says that rotating your keys is really, really common. So no doubt it is. F8. Right, so we've got to here. Force upload, not true. So now we're going through here. Oh, yes, yeah, so there we go. So it's now looked in the wrong place. Okay. Yes, F9 that finishes it. If you look in the console, you can see it says all done. This image has already been uploaded to Flickr. So the problem is, what's going on? Right, here's the upload file. Down here. Uploaded. Get. Is this that one there? I bet we haven't done this bit yet. Ah, yeah. See what we've done is we've done it here. Need to take that, put it up in this one as well. Right. Yeah. So the problem here is that we've got the working out which directory we're using in two different places. That's not clever. We probably need a function for that, but let's leave it in the two places to start with. Don't like that. Let's create a function for it. Function get uploaded files file name. Let's try that. Wonder where. Yeah, let's try that. Get uploaded files file name. And that should take the file name as a string. And the store uploaded as a boolean, it's going to do this code down here. That bit of code there. Our directory string. So if store upload images in file directory, we want the directory to be the file path.dir. Otherwise, we want it to be in config.dir. Now, the uploaded file base name, currently .rodeo.json. So I think that needs to be that without the dot. But now we need to we now need to decide whether to put the dot in or not. So I think what we do is we grab that code there. So if we're storing in the upload directory, we need to return directory plus / dot that. Oh, because we need to return a string. That's why we got the red underline. And if we're not storing it, now because we're doing a return, we can get rid of that else. So we're storing to the config. Create the config directory. But actually, we can probably just grab that. Like that. There we go, and we don't need the dot in this case because we're already in our config directory, so we don't need to make this hidden file. This one, file name file, stored in directory where image is and is hidden dot on the file name, so we don't forget what we've. Capital F for file. Should we rename that something better? Image file name. Let's do that refactor. Better, doesn't it? Right, so this little Go app is now got a new function called get uploaded file names. Now I think we should just pass that straight into get uploaded photo ID as I was going to say Rob, loaded files file name, and it should be a string. And we can get rid of these two lines because we don't need them anymore. That looks better. And let's take that and do exactly the same thing in the other function. Rather than doing stop, do that. Again, we can get rid of all this code here. I really like deleting code. There we go. So now we just get the file names as an array and do some stuff. Right, but now we need to actually pass it in. So we need that one there. It's called get uploaded or something. There we go. Take uploaded there. Well, that function now takes the uploaded file names. Uploaded files file name. Uploaded files file name. Like that. So we had better define that. Did files file name. is equal to this function, which takes the image file name and that store uploaded, which is obviously not called store uploaded. I wonder what that's called. Maybe we stuck it down here after doing the upload. Upload into Flickr, photo. Yeah, record upload. Oh, there you go. It's that value there, that config. That is now uploaded file name. Way around. Right, so that there, that. So config.uploaded, store uploaded files in image directory. That looks a bit better. At least I think it looks a bit better. So we get the photo ID, get uploaded photo ID, passing in the uploaded file's file name. I'm not sure I like that. What I don't like about this is uploaded file's file name has got nothing to do with this function here. It only cares about this function here. Actually, I think I put that back. Put that up. And put the boolean in again here. And that, let's jump to that function. Let's put that there. Called it that. Here. Do that. I think that's better. I'm not totally sure. Store uploaded files and image directory should be passed all the way down like that. It's problematic to go and grab config, use it directly though. I think maybe we'll just pass it through for now. So that looks better. Now we're going to do the same in the other function, this function down here, like that, which means that that needs to go there as a boolean. There. Where's file names used? Down here, that's why we put it up there, I suppose. Fair enough. Get uploaded photo ID. Ah, we need to change. Yeah, let's go and find that one. I need this bit of code here in the record function. Oh, it's a bit wider. Oh, that's a bit long though. It's going over there. I wonder if that needs reformatting. You know, somewhere down here. Not somewhere down here. Somewhere further down here. Here's where we do the upload, the actual file. So here's where we record it. So there we go. Now that might work. Take out. So let's go to this function. So breakpoint here and see what we get. I'll hit Control D. Right, so the store uploaded files in image directory is false because we want to store it in the config directory. So that's correct. Then I want to hit F8 and let's see what we get. Uploaded file name, users rob.config rodeo, and again it's got the no dot, so that's correct. I'm going to break at this point because I don't actually want to upload this file. Let's vim radio.yaml. And change that to true. So we will store it in that directory down the bottom. So in the image file itself. Let's check it's correct. Yes, now the image is true. So let's run this again. Funny how it compiles it a second time, even though we haven't changed anything. Maybe we'll just double check. Now it's true. So let's press that. And uploaded files file name. Yeah, it's .radiofiles.json. That's better. Now it's working the way we expected. And this time, of course, if I run it, it should show me in the console that it's refusing to upload it because the image is already uploaded to Flickr. Okay, and we can show that in here. Should have made that one a bit bigger for you. So if we go back here, so this is the actual directory itself. So go run main.go. I saw on another stream friend of mine, so we should have to put a dot there. It should still work. So we're going to try and upload this file, and it should do exactly the same as before and refuse to upload it. Correct. And if we do a minus upload minus F for force, it should actually upload it. Forcing upload, and there we can see it's uploading the image. There it is. And of course I don't need it, so I'm going to delete it because it's a horrible picture of me. It really is. Look at that. What a terrible, terrible picture. There it is. Goodness. Click that button there. Delete it. Goodbye. That's a file I separate. That's a photo stream. Is it actually going back to the photo stream? There we go. It's a bit slow. There's all the images. These are the ones I took today that made me think I really should finish it because I got out and took some photos of trains. Quite like taking photos of trains, as you could tell from my backdrop. See, I like my trains. Okay, good. Right, that now is finished, I reckon. So we're not going to do the stretch goal now. I think that's a separate problem. In fact, let's grab that and make it its own ticket. Update Flickr data. So rerun rules on uploaded files on previously uploaded files. The file has Flickr, then allow it to be, then run the rules and update the image appropriately as the actions. Quite a lot of work and have to do current Flickr record album. It is ready, etc. There's quite a lot of work there, so that's why I've created it as a new issue, because otherwise this issue is never going to be finished, and that just seems wrong. That's issue number 7. So back to issue number 1. Edit. Let's get rid of the stretch goal, and we've done all those points, so let's take that up, and it looks like we've already got a pull request open for it. So git status. Let's have a look. Loads of changes. Git log -2. Let's see what changes we made recently. Oh, we did minus force. We've done the display, the view link. Yeah, so all this stuff then. So if I open up source tree, have a quick look, see where we are. This is source tree. It's a bit small, so you probably can't see it very well. Don't know if I can change the font size in it. Look at advanced maybe. Look promising. No, it looks like we have no control over the size. It is what it is. Right, so what do we change? Right, in root.go we removed go home dir. Oh, that's right, because the first thing we did was we created this config directory in internal. So let's put that. Those, not that one. That one. There we go, config dir. Why do we call it home dir? That's a silly name for it. In terms of the config directory, rename that. Always a good idea to look over what you've done and decide if it still makes sense. So let's move internal.homedir to internal.config.dir. Go. Land. Config. That looks fine. No package name issues. Let's go back to source tree. So here we have config dir, which pulls in go home dir, format and OS, because we're going to use format here. Create a function called config dir, and we're going to use it in root. So that goes, that goes, that goes. OS should be down here because we want it to be alphabetical. We need to bring internal in. Unless we're already bringing internal in. Because we're now going to use... we've used internal.config dir, so we don't need to... Yeah, wake up, Rob. There it is. We're putting an internal there. GitHub internal. So we can call internal.config dir and we're good. That makes sense? I think that makes sense. Good. Right, let's commit that. Git commit -v. Right. Move the determine config directory. Open. Nope. The this information is needed all one place in extract to its own function. That go git status. Okay, so now I've got upload.go and config.go. Source tree again. So upload.go. Uploaded file's base name is up here as a constant. Probably don't need that as a constant anymore. Not like it's configurable. It could be just part of that function down here now. Get uploaded files file name. Could make it a variable in here. Maybe it's easier to find here. Don't know. Doesn't matter. Right, when we're uploading, before we upload, we go to get uploaded photo ID and we pass in our config variable. Our config variable is coming from here. Just a simple mapping, so that's nice and easy. So that introduces a new config variable, store uploaded images in the upload structure. And then we pull it into here. And if uploaded photo ID is not equal to null, empty string rather, we do have an uploaded photo ID, then we're going to exit, so that's fine. After successful upload, we're going to again trying to store the file, record this upload. So we're going to use the store uploaded image directory to store it. Same config variable. Get uploaded files file name extracts that information that was in here and here, one place. Makes it a bit neater. And I seem to have added an extra blank lines. Let's get rid of those blank lines here and here, but it looks like we do actually put that there. Let that refresh. There we go, that's better. There's great diffs there, better. So that's done as well. Okay, so let's git commit that. So, store uploaded images recording images file, record file. Yeah, I'll just go call it record file. Good name for it. Record file based on config. Introduce the, let's go, we call the file, introduce the config setting upload image directory, which when true will store the uploaded images record file into the same directory as the image file itself. When this config setting is false, then we store the uploaded images record to the user's config directory in .config /audio. Found that as well. Do that. We can refund, or we reformat this. No one though. Like that QQ. No, not QQ. Maybe we need to set the tab length first or something. I don't remember. Vim. Reformat git message. Look at that one as well. Oh, you need to set text width. Use GQIP. GQIP. It hasn't done what I expected. I expected that to happen. Oh, maybe that's still too long. Set. Oh, question mark. ATL. Maybe this is still longer than 72. Like, oh, it is still longer. Ah, so now if I do QGIP, like that, QGIP. Oh. Start again, Rob. Undo that. No, Shift J. What was it? It's GQIP. There we go. Yes, it did reformat it. Because that's still such a long one. I'll make it look a bit nicer. Big setting. Called. No, let's not do that. Let's do this. Right, introduce that. As a new config setting that, when true, will store the uploaded images record file into the same directory as the image file itself. If config setting is false, then we store the uploaded images record file into the directory in .radio. That's better. And it's not that important to get the commit message looking nice, but it appeals to me. Let's push that. Git push, and now our work in progress thing should be correct. So now this completely fixes one. And we need to add a bit more information in here. Then an uploaded image. When we upload an image, check to see if we have already uploaded it. If we have, do not do anything. Allow the -f by modifier to override this check. The list of files that we know we have uploaded can be stored in the image file, in the same directory as the image file as a file, or in the .tilde/.config rodeo directory. This is controlled by the config setting upload dot, and then we've got a thing for that. There we go. That's a bit better. Which reminds me, we'd better update the README. Added new feature. We should document it, at least at some level. So let's go back here and open the README. I think we could get rid of that. There we go. Right, so how does this look? Can I make this full width like that? And this button here will give us the GitHub for the rendered markdown version, so we can compare. Okay. Right, usage. Radio resize. Radio upload. Radio info. Right, actually, so let's do here. After, oh, I see, if I click here, it jumps to the right place. That's neat. I didn't know it did that. Right, so radio upload. Rodeo. Back. files slash dot config slash radio something. I don't remember the name of that file. I've just written it. There it is. JSON. Or have files that or in the directory or in slash dot that in the directory of the image file. This is config setting upload dot that. Okay, so that's some information about it. And we've got config information here. Upload. Colon false. So we have a table here that explains it. So let's add if set to true, then list of uploaded files stored in within the images directory. Otherwise it is stored in ~slash.config slash root default to false. Default is false. Like that. That needs a. Are we using full stops? Yeah, missing full stop there. Let's put that in whilst we're here. I've not worked out how to do word wrapping in these tables to make GitHub support them properly, which is why that's a really, really long line. It seems to break otherwise. I'm sure there's a way to do it. I just don't know what it is. Logically, you should be able to break here, but you can't. And if I do that, it's treated as a whole new row, which is not what I want. Okay, GitHub read markdown tables word wrap. Maybe I should be using HTML. You reckon? Let me know if you've got an idea. That's not a good sign. You must use HTML to create line breaks. So in theory, could do that maybe. Still one really, really long line, unless we turn it into an HTML table. Oh, maybe if you put that line in. Oh no. That's an indentation with 4 spaces. No, let's not do that. No, I don't think. Yeah, you must use HTML. Yeah. That's unfortunate, isn't it? Let's not do that. Let's not do that at all, and we'll leave it like that. So we'll do that for now and think about that later. Think about our choices, as they say. Default is false. Why hasn't... Oh, we must have done something wrong. This is set to true. And the list up listing. Oh, we missed that there. Logically, we should put that there and that there. There we go. That's a bit better, isn't it? So unfortunately, that's such a long setting name. Maybe if we rename it to that, it'll be a bit better. Yeah, that's a little bit shorter. So what we also haven't done, we haven't tested what happens if that variable is missing completely. We'd better do that too. At some point, we're really going to have to learn how to do testing. Right, so that variable is only held in config.go. Yeah. I suppose we could rename this whilst we're here. That. And that should have updated it in upload.go as well. Let's see. Quite neat. So let's go back to source tree. Oh, we need to fix that one as well. That's now that. Update. Oh, that one there's wrong as well. That one there should be that. So now that's correct. That's correct. That's correct. Git commit might be. Actually, let's not do that. That one out. Git goodness me. There we go. So rename directory. Shift A. What are we going to call this? Name insert in. Slightly shorter. Still. Probably will never do that work. Today. Now let's add the README file as a separate thing. Separate commits, separate thing. Insert add README, update README, not add README. Update README or for uploaded files tracking. Okay, push that. Hopefully that'll make sense. Refresh. Your fixes 1. My fixes is underlined. Okay. Little bit of GitHub. Oh, look at that spelling error. Ugh. That should be a has. I'm going to do something a little bit naughty. Get add dot get commit minus v. Insert fix typo in readme. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to rebase it into my previous commit. It's only me working on this branch, so it's not too bad. Tilde head tilde 2. And what we do is we change that one to F to fold it into the previous one. I think they use fix up, but I like the word fold because that works for my brain. And push minus F that for force. Why we've used minus F in Rodeo too. Go back to the branch, the pull request. Let's have a look. Right, Rodeo keeps track of which files it's uploaded in there or in there. Image files controlled by config setting upload dots or uploaded files in ImageStir. Uploaded files in ImageStir. Store uploaded files in ImageStir. If set to true, then the list of image files is stored. A bit repetitive there, but that's fine. Tidying up root.go. Most of the work is in uploads.go. We're now using, we've put these in the right order now. So they're alphabetical. There's that. I don't like that still. Might do something about that. I did that up. There's our uploaded force flag. Read the value of force. There's the force handling. We tidied this up and always display that now. It was here. We've moved it up here. That's a bit neater. Uploaded file takes the force upload, and then here's where we do the has it already been uploaded. If force upload is true, we're going to upload it anyway. Looks like Go Format uses quite a uses tabs. Oh, I didn't know that. Git format clear uses tabs. Not Git format, Go Format. Go Format. What is it? Commands. Have we got anything interesting in here now? That is a question. I'm not sure if we have or not. Thoughts? Anyone got any thoughts? That's also how you do Go Format. Why does it Go FMT? Is that right? Go FMT? T minus H. Go Format packages. Ooh. Dot. Nothing's changed, so clearly Goland, the IDE I'm using, is doing that correctly. We're liking it. My watch wants me to get up and do some work. That is not going to happen. Today is not an exercise day. No exercise day today. Who wants to exercise? On Saturday? I think so. Mind you, I did do some photography this morning, so I did walk a little bit in a field. So maybe that counts. What does the watch think? Yeah, 12 minutes of exercise. That was probably tramping around in the field whilst I went to take the photos. Who knows? Good. So let's carry on reviewing this. We added a white blank line there because it looks nicer. I like my vertical white space. I don't think it hurts. Anything that makes it easier to read is good. Then we record the upload there. That's fine. Get uploaded file name. Get uploaded photo ID. Record upload. Yeah. There's our 3 new functions. They all make sense. So what I'm doing now is I'm just reviewing my PR before I merge it. I have to do this myself because I'm the only one working on this project. So quick review, make sure everything makes sense, isn't a bad move. File stored in directory, leading dot. Yep, so we created this information on what we're doing, otherwise we store into the config directory. I'm not sure about this. I don't know whether I need that, whether that constant makes sense. Anyone else have an opinion on that? Should the constant get uploaded files base file name, which is up here, the top of the file. Where is it? Right up here, rodeo uploaded files.json. Should that be a constant, or should I just put the string directly here? I could do, I could create a variable here and then just use it. Don't know. I think this is partly because I don't really understand Go and its idioms yet, and I suspect if I knew what idiomatic Go looked like, then this would make a lot more sense. But as I don't, then we have to take it on trust from the way I've coded in previous languages. We'll assume that that's okay, shall we? Thoughts? No thoughts? No one's responding, so I'll assume that's fine. Okay, right, so that one's fine. Next function, get uploaded photo ID. Get the uploaded file name, check it exists. If it doesn't exist, then by definition, the file hasn't been uploaded. Read the file. If we can't read the file, then assume that this image file hasn't been uploaded, but display an error. Oh, that's interesting. Oh no, that's fine. I'll marshal the file into file names because it's a JSON file. So now we've got file names. Then here's our image file name. So check whether it exists. If it does exist, return the photo ID, which nicely comes out by that assignment, which is quite neat. Otherwise, return nothing because the file is clearly not in. This particular file name is clearly not in our previous list. Good. Record upload. Do the same thing. Get the uploaded file name. Does the file exist? If it does exist, read it. I'm pretty sure we could tidy this up a bit more. This code here looks suspiciously like this code here. So I reckon there's probably a refactor involved there, you know. We should return that. Yeah, let's refactor that. That's a looking. That's why we do the review. I'm looking at that code. If that was not me who had written it, I would have said, oh, we should probably tidy that up. So I'm going to do the same to myself. I don't need the README. We should be able to refactor that, make it a little bit nicer. Somehow. Oh, I wonder why that's twiddled. Oh, it doesn't like the typo. Let's add that. Oh, that's interesting. Save access to project loader. Right. So I reckon. Let's go down to the bottom. There's a whole load of code somewhere. Code here. Probably with that one. That here. So let's extract that code there. Refactor. Extract to a method. What should we call that method? Read uploaded files file. and that needs to return file names. That refactor hasn't gone quite as well as I would have liked. It needs to return the map. Like that. Or an error. Or an empty one. Wouldn't hurt just to return an empty one, so let's grab that line there. Let's do that. Right, why is that underlined? Oh, because it's being passed in. We don't want to pass it in. We're going to return it. So it's now going to read the JSON file. Not sure what's doing it. Oh, we're going to return file names. That's the whole point of doing that, wasn't it? That's correct. So all this is going to do is get the file name, make a map. If the file exists, it's going to read the file. If the file doesn't exist, it's going to print an error and return an empty file name, return the list of empty file names. Otherwise, we're going to unmarshal it into file names. And then we're going to return it. So and we need to write it to disk, so that can't be there. We need to write to disk here, so we do need that to be here. That needs to be file. I didn't do that very well at all. That refactor was not ideal. And we just need to pass in the file name. So in here, we need to pass in the file name, like so. And let's put a comment on this. Read the uploaded files list from the file name, which is that one. And convert to a map from the JSON. Oh, that's a silly place to put that. There we go. So those two lines we can probably reuse up here. The file doesn't exist on disk. Oh, so that needs to go here. Read the file. Unmarshal it. All that can go. There we go. That looks a bit neater. Look at that refactoring, getting rid of the code. Image file name is that? Is image file a key in the base name? So there's yeah, that looks good. It won't be because now we're guaranteed to always return. Yeah, so this simplifies that code. logic fairly simply. So that's nicer. I wonder if that's necessary. Also, I wonder if we need that in here. Not here, in this one. File doesn't exist. I'll therefore read it. Okay, yeah, so we probably don't even need this, you know. No, not this one. This one. We can probably get rid of this. Do that. Because read uploaded files file will return a map every single time. That makes sense. Oh, that makes sense. Anyway, that's a better refactor. So let's git status, add, git commit minus v. Oh, let's not do that. We test if it works. Go run that. Let's not force it. Filing it presumably. Now it's processing, running it. Oh, it's go run it. Now it's uploaded it. Try again, and it should tell us it's already been uploaded. Yes, let's delete that image. That's such a horrible image, isn't it? In there, delete. Bye bye image. Gone. Git status app. Git commit minus v. Refactor. Extract. Reading uploaded is image. Read uploaded images file to its method. That. Now let's look at our pull request again. Still down here, but now you see get uploaded photo ID just gets us the file names and tests it. Record upload gets a list of file names, appends it. It's not already in the list. Right, if it's already in the list, it doesn't do anything. So therefore we append it. That's not brilliant. I want that. Convert it to JSON and write it to disk. We could factor that into its own function, but it's not used anywhere else, so no real need at the moment, except maybe might be a bit clearer. Function. So we've got a read, have a write uploaded files function. It should be that bit of code. Might be neater. Yeah, let's do that. So that's this code here. Ooh, there. From here. Not from there. From here. That bit of code there. We should be able to extract to a method called write uploaded files file. There we go. Let's add a comment. Write the uploaded files list to the uploaded files file name in JSON format. So convert it to JSON, write it to disk. I want that entire function moved down together. Read, then write. Okay, and that makes that function really much more clearer. You could rephrase this as well. Up to there. The file name space. The image file name is already good, then there's nothing to do. Nothing, spell correctly, to do. There we go. Now this, so list and save. There we go. How's that? That looks much better. So let's refactor that variable. Gets the. I've got an alias on get status to get st because I used to use subversion, and svnst was probably my most commonly used function or command. I suppose would be a better word. Get status. Git add commands dot upload git commit -v. And what we're doing in here, extract writing of uploaded files, list file to its own git log -- one line -2. Oh, we called it uploaded. Let's copy extract reading, extract writing uploaded image file to its own method. Copy that, and we can just do a bit better than that. So git compose -- git commit -- amend allows us to just change that message. Extract writing. So from here, like that, and then append that. I git log now. There we go. Look, that looks like it's planned. Git push. I don't know if you can hear the background music or not. Might be hidden from you, but clearly someone downstairs has turned the music up whilst they're cooking. So we must finish shortly. Right, so let's refresh this, have a look now. So get uploaded photo file is now quite short. Record upload, quite short. Read uploaded files file, one thing. Write uploaded files file does one thing. Uploaded files. We call it the uploaded list. Yeah, let's call it the uploaded list. If we call it the uploaded list, then I think these function names will look a little bit neater. So let's try doing that. So Shift F6 to rename it. Let's call it read uploaded list file and write uploaded list file. And then not that. Shift F6 is rename rather. So get uploaded list file name. And then that variable should be store uploaded list in image directory. Record the name of the image upload to the uploaded into the uploaded files list. Uploaded list. Read the uploaded list. And that should be right, the uploaded list. The uploaded file's file name should be the uploaded list file name. And that's the same here. So here, Shift F6, uploaded list file name. And that's uploaded list file name. This one here should be the uploaded list file name as well. So uploaded files in image directory is now the store uploaded list. Loaded list in the image directory, shouldn't it? And that's the uploaded list file. Loaded list file name. Uploaded list file name. Shouldn't have any uploaded files. Let's start at the bottom and check. I wonder why that's commented out. So many arguments, format stream. Expected 2. Expected 1, actual 2. Oh, that's a bug there. That should be a percentage FE. There we go, that's better. Uploaded list file name. Uploaded list file name. Uploaded list file. Read the uploaded list to the uploaded list file name. Uploaded list. Uploaded list. Uploaded list. That's all good. Uploaded list. List store uploaded list in image directory. Uploaded list in image directory. Uploaded list file name. Good. Uploaded list file name. Right, that variable needs changing. Store uploaded list in image directory. I could probably rename that uploaded list. Do for a minute. Right, that's not uploaded files base name. Shift F6. That's the uploaded list base file name. Right. Go to where that's used. So that shouldn't be store uploaded files in image directory. That should be store uploaded list in image directory. And that should have changed down here as well. Yes, it has done. If we search for uploaded files, it shouldn't exist anymore. Uploaded files shouldn't exist anymore. Config should have been updated. There, store uploaded list. And this, I think we'll change the variable name as well. List config name. We're going to do that. That means we need to change the README. That now is uploaded list in image. There. So yeah. Radio keeps trace of which files it has uploaded in config radio uploaded files.json or in .radio uploaded files.json in the image directory of the image file. This is controlled by config setting store uploaded list in image.dir. That's much better, isn't it? Got a name for this thing now. It's the uploaded list. I think it's taken a while to get there, but I think that's quite important that we actually have a name. The uploaded list. Then we have that in the config example here, store uploaded list. And then we should have it in the table. There we go, it's the uploaded list. That's, oh, I like that. That's much nicer. Go to source tree and three factors. That's that one. That's that one. And then we've got the one where we do all the work in the upload.go. Please read it through. Uploaded list base file name. Uploaded files to uploaded list. Files to list. Files to list. Yeah, get uploaded files file name just didn't feel right, did it? Get uploaded list file name does feel better. And same down here, record, upload, yeah, so write uploaded list file, get uploaded list file name, read uploaded list file. Yeah, that's much better. Yeah, I'm much happy with that. That makes more sense. So let's go and commit that. Git stir, git commit -v. Okay, name. Rename loaded files to name the feature upload list. Use name upload list when refer in functions and variables related to keeping track of the list of uploaded files. There we go. This has been a good session. I feel like this has now turned into quite a tidy feature that I'm not going to be unhappy to maintain. Refresh this again and have a look at what we've done. We have to recheck everything. The top again. Radio keeps track of which files are uploaded in. Uploaded list. Uploaded list in image there. That change. This is all the force stuff. There's that uploaded list base file name. Here's more force stuff. More force stuff there. Through to uploaded file. Tidy up the way we do the messages. Bring force upload into upload file. Test whether it's been uploaded and whether it's been forced to override. Then record the upload after done. Get the uploaded list file name. Get the uploaded photo ID. Record the upload. Read the uploaded file list. Write the uploaded file list. Read the uploaded list file. Write the uploaded list. Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, that looks good. I'm happy with that. And then it's store uploaded list image.dir, store uploaded list image.dir. That all looks good. Because we've renamed it, when we do the go run, it won't exist now because that variable, that property has changed. So it's not going to find it. So it's going to upload. Oh, no, it's all right. Well, that's right, because it defaults to false. So it's just added it to the file again. If we look in, here, not here, this one. Store uploaded files and image directories. I thought we changed. Oh, did we not? I thought we changed the name. Why hasn't that variable name? Go run dot view config. Oh, we should add it to view config. Probably. There's all the rules. We don't have any upload settings. It should tell us what file we're using. Definitely using that file. Rodeo.yaml. EWD. Let's have a look at that. I'm going to look at secret, so I think I shall press this button and have a look. Nope, it does say exactly what we could see here. That is correct. Definitely this file. So did we miss something? It doesn't exist. What's going on? Should be that now. Oh, we don't write it. We don't write the default in. Defaults are done down here. That's why. If it doesn't exist, we put it here. So this is my set defaults is just a way to ensure that the file has all the variables in it, all the settings in it, because I'll never remember them otherwise. So if upload.storeUploaded list in image there is not set, then we need to set it. That's what's going on. Go back, not to this one. Run the upload. Now let's look in here. There we go. Store uploaded list in image it's added it for us. And it set it to false, which must mean that I've probably got the JSON file in here as well. Uploaded JSON file, and there's that one image. That's why we don't have to keep uploading it. I think I deleted it, so the actual image doesn't go anywhere. See, 404. Good. Git status. Git add dot. Git commit minus v. That's how you do that. Actually, git diff dash dash stage. Let's have a look what we've done. Git commit minus v. Nearly done. Save. Set default for. That's it. Git push. Right, I think this is genuinely ready now. Well, that's a code format change. That looks fine. There's that config thing, set defaults, and there's that one, so that's good. Reformatted neatly. Yeah, okay, I think we're gonna call that done, you know. I think that is okay. Have I been approving the ones that have been going in, or have I just been merging them? You can't approve your own pull requests, can you? So let's take this one. It's no longer work in progress. And the milestone is 0.1. There we go. Merge it. Git checkout master. Git pull. Git merge minus no ff 1 dash keep track of photos. Git checkout not main. We renamed it and have not got used to this yet. Git merge. Open. Closes 4. Fixes 1. Git push. And I think we're done. This should now be merged. No pull requests now. And issues gone down to 3 because issue 1 is now no longer open. But issue 1 marked as closed. Yay, go us. Right, I'm going to stop at this point, I think, and call that a day because that's really good. And then maybe I'll do a release of 0.1 tomorrow, see how I feel. Anyway, I hope someone found that interesting. I'm happy with that work and I think it was useful. Speak to you later.